Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, vlogs, shopping, DIYs, all that. So if you like all that different type of content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my hauls. I'm having a crazy hair day today. Snowed in, so I just watched all the snow fall from the tree. So that's great. We all snowed in today, so we're kind of just going like this today. But anyway, I have a Dollar Tree haul today. Everything is 25 cents. Another video. We have too much to all put in one video, so that's why it's like 10 different videos. But yeah, this is probably some of the best stuff that I found for a quarter so far, so I'm so stoked. Grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, and let's just get into it. So the first thing is the V Eco toothbrushes. These are all a quarter, and they're like that. Yeah, so this is a great find for a quarter. So we got that. Then, of course, we have some beauty. We have the Little Beauty Benefits Color Squad Coral Punch little eyeshadow. Little small one. Then we have this one in Enchanting Rose. That one. Then we have Toasted Brown. Again, everything I'm showing you is 25 cents. Then we got this little nail file and a bow. I love bows, so I thought it was so cute. Got that. Then this is probably another one of my favorite quarter finds. This cuticle oil with the little, what's this called? Cuticle pusher. So phenomenal find for a quarter again. And then of course plumping lip gloss, and this is in Pop It Fizz Clink. Or no, what is the shade in this? Pink Glow. So we got that. Then the little tech cleaning kit. You get how many pieces in here? 5-in-1 cleaning tool. These are a quarter. Literally could not believe it. I had to scan it on my phone on the app and on the scanners in the store because I just couldn't believe it. But yeah, these are a quarter. So run and get these. Okay, another quarter find are the Flex Grip smartphone Flex Grip mounts. 25 cents. Again, I had to do the scanner on the phone, scanner in the store, and when she rang it up, the cashier. So these are 25 cents. Run. Then I have something in my. Then we have this diffuser, color changing LED diffuser. 25 cents. Like I couldn't believe it. And I will scan all these on my app and like put little clips in just so you guys can see that it's literally 25 cents. Okay, then we have this super bright light 3-panel foldable LED bulb. And these, I did open it to see what it looked like. I will show you guys. It does, I've realized, have to go into like a light bulb socket. But still, for 25 cents, pretty great deal. So, that is garbage. Recycle. Always recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Anyway, then, 25 cents, we have this. The Bright Basics 2-pack closet and drawer automatic light. Like, are we literally kidding? 25 cents. I could not believe my eyes. So we have that for a quarter. Then we have this Deco Mood Lighting Artisan Stone Base. So it looks like that, and it's just, I guess we can try it out. Look at that. So, 25 cents, yes please. So, we got that. And then, we got the lipstick in, that shade, I cannot pronounce that, Serpentine, there it is. So just like a green lipstick. And then we have the Dusty Rose blush. Then I gotta dig it down and get the bag. Then we have the blush in Coral Pink. Then these gel cream blushes for $1. This is an Orchid. And then we have it in Tulips. I love these. I'm so glad these are back for $1. Then we have this lipstick in Caramel Brown. Love that, actually. Then my favorite little Sherpa hair ties. Then this hair tie I thought was super cute. Look how cute that is with a little pearl. So got that. Then we have the other blush in Rose Garden. Then I love when I see these jelly glosses for $1. This is in Strawberry Kiwi. I love these things. Then we have the Cream Color lipstick. And this is in Jazzy. Love the name. And then these Papermate pens are $1. So definitely snag these up too. Then another phenomenal find, this VIA LED collapsible lantern fan, 2-in-1 combination, 25 cents. Literally run to your dollar store like right now. Then these little cosmetic bags are also 25 cents. Then, as we know, only the 3-pack of the Sassoon Chic blenders are $1. Only the 3-pack. Then these little Sophie volumizing hair clips are $1. These are phenomenal. Can't have those up enough, honestly. Then the little squish whale tap lights. The little tap lights are $1. I cannot believe it. Literally. So we have this for $1. Definitely perfect time for Christmas, like before Christmas. Then, of course, scrunchy Sherpa hair tie. Then we have spiced almond lipstick. Then we have some Freeman stuffs. So this is the moisturizing gel mask for dry skin. We have that one. Then we have the energizing gel mask. Then the anti-stress clay mask. I need to put this whole thing on my skin. So we have this one. And then we have the Indonesian coconut face mask and scrub. And yeah, that was all from one store. So I definitely hit the jackpot so far, and this is only like the first part of this video. So I can't wait to see what else I find. Okay, we got a couple more good finds to end this haul, because I'm getting this haul up to you guys so you guys can run for these goods. So first off, just the little makeup sponge and the remover again. These are fantastic. So then the Tech Cleaning Kit, 5-in-1 Tech Kit. This is such a good deal for $1, guys, literally. Please pick this up. Also, I finally did find the penny find, so that will be a whole video in itself. But we got that for 25 cents. Then the metal straws with the little caps, 25 cents. I cannot believe it. Got that. Then we have the Lifeline Essential Oil Blends in Focus, 25 cents. We have that one. And then we have the Lifeline's Walk in the Woods. So this one is... Oh, they're both Walk in the Woods. So I don't know. I guess they're just a different packaging. But, so got these for $1. Then the Anomaly Bonding Treatment Mask, Built-in Strength Hair Mask. This came out a while ago, but it's $1 now. And then the Juicy Smooches Mint Scented Lip Gloss. This whole collection is $1. And then probably my most exciting one is the Pout Potion Lip Oil. And this is in coconut. It tints the lips, and I used this constantly when it came out back forever ago. So this is the whole collection is $1. But that is it for this video. I'm getting this up to you guys literally right now so that you guys can run to Dollar Tree and get these quarter finds. Like, I literally cannot believe it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for. And I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe.